Mapping the network protocol suite to the OSI reference model. Due to the tremendous variety of protocols and programming interfaces associated with netware, mapping netware and related technologies to the OSI reference model is not trivial. Although the netware protocols are modular and layered, however, since all computer networks must address similar topics and methods, the network protocols can be assigned or grouped as shown here. We are going to briefly summarize key network protocols. MLID, that is Multiple Link Interface Driver, and is Novell's name for a network interface board driver. Specially, each MLID is a piece of software typically created by the board's manufacturer that combines the Novell's Open Data Link Interface, that is ODI architecture. An MLID is not directly linked to an individual protocol stack so that it can be concurrently bound to various stacks. LSL, that is Link Support Layer. Link Support Layer is the interface between MLID and the various upper layer protocol stacks. The LSL interprets each packet's protocol identification field and passes the packet to the appropriate protocol stack. Netware's most important protocol, that is IPX. IPX means Inter-Network Packet Exchange Protocol and is a connectionless network layer protocol derived from XNS Inter-Network Datagram Protocol, that is IDP. As a network layer protocol, IPX addresses and routes packets from one location to another on an IPX internetwork. To do so, IPX performs logical network addressing and internetwork routing function. It relies upon hardware's physical device addresses for node addressing and upper layer service addresses called sockets to address the ultimate packet destination within the node. In addition, IPX makes route selections based on network reachability information compiled by RIP, that is Routing Information Protocol. RIP, that is Router Information Protocol, and was also derived from XNS. RIP is a distance vector route discovery protocol that uses a hop count to determine cost. Although RIP is implemented as a service, it is directly based on IPX and performs network layer functions. NLSP, Network Link Services Protocol, and is a link state route discovery protocol modeled after a routing protocol and developed by an ISO standards organization called Intermediate System to Intermediate System, that is ISIS. Due to its inherent link state features, NLSP supports the highly fault-tolerant mesh and hybrid mesh networks. SPX, that is Sequenced Packet Exchange Protocol, and is an extension of IPX that provides for connection-oriented transport layer packet delivery and is derived from Xerox Sequenced Packet Protocol. SPX enhances the IPX protocol by providing reliable delivery. SPX virtual circuits are referred to as connections and have a specific connection identifier which are placed in the SPX header. Multiple connection IDs can be attached to a single upper layer processes. SPX ensures reliable delivery by retransmitting information that is not received correctly. NCP, that is Network Core Protocols. Many network server application functions, for example, file service, print service, name management, file locking, and synchronization, are made available to users through Network Core Protocols, that is NCP. NCP is comprised of numerous function calls that support network services. Network client software runs on the workstation to provide transparent file and printer access to service clients through NCP function calls. SAP, Service Advertising Protocol. Network servers use SAP to advertise their services. Each server running SAP may identify itself and its services each minute by broadcasting a service identification packet. SAP user can also determine the server's identities and services on the internetwork using a service query packet. By referencing the IPX header information, SAP implementations identify the service addresses required to initiate a session.